Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Today I am going to make cauliflower Manchurian or gobi Manchurian. I know everyone loves gobi Manchurian, right? I make gobi Manchurian almost like restaurant style. Sometimes I make gobi Manchurian with gravy and sometimes dry as appetizer. Today I am going to make it dry. Stay with me to see how I am making it today. Here I have 250 grams frozen cauliflower or gobi. When I make Manchurian, cut the cauliflower into small or medium sizes, then I keep in the freezer. Now I will soak it with salty hot water for 10 minutes only. I will add a little bit salt. If you are taking fresh cauliflower, then boil it for 3 to 4 minutes only, or soak it into hot water for 30 minutes. So the cauliflower will be soft. Let's make the batter. Here I am taking 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup corn flour, little bit of salt, black pepper and Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon only. Add some water. Make sure it shouldn't be very thick or very thin. As you can see, the right consistency of the batter. Dip the cauliflower into the batter and coat them very well. Press them for 5 minutes. Here I have some vegetable oil in the kadai. I will fry in small batches. We will fry on medium heat. We only need to half cook it for now. The cauliflower starting to get slight golden. I will take them out. Okay, our first round fried cauliflower is ready, but we have to double fry the cauliflower to make them crispy. Double fry the cauliflower, we need high flame now. I will fry them until they turn golden and crispy. Take them out. See, so nice and crispy. Here I am using oak. You can use oak or kadai. I am adding 3 tablespoons, about 3 tablespoons sesame oil. When I make veg or non-veg fried rice, I use vegetable oil. Sometimes I use olive oil also. But when I make appetizer or side dishes for fried rice, I use sesame oil. It tastes really good for Chinese food. If you don't like sesame oil, you can use any cooking oil also. Here I am adding chopped green chili, chopped garlic, ginger, red onion, chopped celery. Celery is optional, but I always add celery in Chinese food. It makes good flavor. Just fry for few seconds. Do not fry too long. Chopped onion. This is the white bulb of spring onion. Okay, now I am adding about 2 tablespoons vinegar, about 2 tablespoons light soya sauce, tomato sauce, about 2 tablespoons. There is one more important tip. Be careful how much sauces you add now, because sauces also have salt in it. Black pepper, little bit salt, pinch of sugar, green chili sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Last one I am adding, and this is Chinese chili garlic sauce, 3 tablespoons. Little bit water. Let's make the corn flour paste. Here I am taking 2 tablespoons corn flour. Little bit water. Paste is ready. Pouring into the Manchurian sauce. Some green onion. Now I am going to add fried cauliflower. Toss it very well. Gobi Manchurian is ready to serve. Let me garnish with some spring onion. Thanks for watching my recipe. Try to make it at home and let me know how it is. See you next time. Take care. Bye.